Alright, everyone. Welcome to the Avengers. Second day of the Marvel Avengers Advent unboxing. And today's number 2, so we know how to open it now. And we're gonna open it. We're repping all our merch. Number 2.
Number 2, right?
What's it gonna be?
I don't know what that is.
Is it the hammer? It's like weapons. What do you think, Clementine? It's like that weapon that Tony Stark is holding, isn't it?
Maybe.
It's like what he's shooting. What do you think, Clementine? Are you satisfied with day number 2? You come on. What do you think? Say hi. Hi, Clementine. Hi, Clementine. Can you sing a song for me? Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a Spider-Man does. Say hi. Say hi, Clemmy. Say hi. Are you impressed with today's advent calendar? I don't think that's a glowing review. But all the pieces make up the big part, right? Nicolon's extremely interested in it. Back to the wheel. It's upside down. Wow, girl. Say hi. Were you more excited yesterday when it was Tony Stark? It's okay. Oh, now Tony's getting some big ice crystal weapons. Whoa, you moved it, huh? Day number 2, 23 days until Christmas. Do you think you're gonna get any Spider-Man stuff for Christmas? Hint, hint. What do you think? That means only 15 more days until Spider-Man movie. And then Augie's gonna be 1. Alright, 3 cheers for this.